Hi, and welcome back to Love Your Food. This is sort of just an announcement. We're going to be changing the format a little bit on Love Your Food. We've been doing weekly videos for about 7.5 years now. It's coming up on 8 years. And we just want to take a little break. So we're going to stop doing those for a little while. I'm going to turn off the Patreon for now. And we are going to sort of come back to it when we find videos or ideas for videos that we really want to make. Something new and interesting and fascinating. We don't really want to sort of phone it in, right? We don't want to just make a video every week because we have to. And, you know, we have to think of something new, and we just want to really focus on something else for a little while. I've got to focus on building up my voice career. So I'm working in voice work now, narrating audiobooks and that sort of thing. And I've really got to focus on that. We are going to still be making videos. I'm probably going to put together some shorts from some of our older videos, so you may see those pop up. But otherwise, we're going to take a little break. When we get some really exciting ideas, we'll probably still put some videos together, and you'll see them show up on the channel. But we're not going to be doing weekly videos for a little while, unless something that really, really strikes us. So thank you for everyone. Thank you for all of our patrons for your support over the years. Thank for everyone who's watched, who's subscribed, who's liked our videos and shared them. We really appreciate it. Please continue to keep doing that. Please continue to share these videos with your friends. It's great that you're doing that. We love all of our viewers, and really, we really wanted to make it all about the food. We really wanted to make some good recipe videos, and they're all going to stay up. We're not going to take down the channel or anything. We're not going to delete the videos. We just want to leave those up as a resource. They're still recipes we use. Almost all of those recipes, many of them are recipes we use very, very, very regularly, and some of them we just use occasionally, but they're all recipes. They're all, it's all food we eat. So keep your eyes out. We will come back with new videos in the future when something really interests us that we haven't done before. And we may update some of our older videos with new techniques and that sort of thing. So keep an eye out. We will be back at some point. We're just going to take a little break. So thanks everyone for watching. This is not goodbye. It's just a little pause. Like I said, you'll see some shorts show up and that sort of thing. And in the meantime, always remember to love your food.